Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Laki. I'm from Axiom Technologies. I'm here to give a tutorial about debugging methods. So debugging is basically checking and detecting errors within your code or applications and removing them if there are any errors. So the debugging methods that we have in C# are we have three debugging methods, which are basically commands that we use to single step through applications using methods. So first method is the single step method, which is a single step through a program using a called method. And then the second one is the step over command, which executes a called method without single stepping through the lines. Yeah. And then the fourth one is the step out command, which basically executes all the remaining lines of code or all the remaining lines of a method that you are debugging without stepping through them. Yeah? So that's basically it. So in our programs, usually we write methods in order to do something. So in this program here that was written, there's a method here, a Boolean method, to check whether the input is valid or not. So it works, it checks the input if it's a decimal, or the input must be decimal for the Boolean to be true, and not decimal if the Boolean is false. So the step into command, in order to call that method, first of all, you have to insert a break point in your program, and usually you do that under your handler. So to insert the break point, you click on F9, and then that red dot there is where your break point is. So the step over method, you just run your program, and when you run your program, you enter your values, you enter your data or your values. And then say calculate, and then you press F11. And then that's how your method is executed. And then for step over command, you basically do the same thing, but instead of F11, you press F10. Yeah? And then there comes your step out command, yeah, which you also use F11, but now instead of just the F11, you add a shift. So basically you start running your program like this. Let's go into the code so that you can see what's happening. You start running your program like this, and then, okay, let me just stop this now because it was running. Let me stop it. So you start running your program, and then you enter your data. Say calculate, and then you go into, you just press shift and then F11, shift F11, and then when you go to it, it shows you where your command starts and where your method starts, and it goes through the method without stepping through it. So ladies and gentlemen, this was a tutorial on debugging methods, and I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, see you next time. Thank you.